Yesterday I deposited just $1 into this bank, and the next morning, $750 hit my account, free, no catch. And the craziest part, this isn't a scam. These three banks are literally paying new users up to $750 right now in 2026, but this offer ends this week. So don't skip this video, or you'll miss out on $750. I'll show you proof. Hey guys, my name is Jack, and if you're in the USA and you have a bank account, this video could be worth $1,000 to $150 to you, because three different banks, SoFi, Chime, and Current, are giving signup bonuses from $250 to $750 right now. And yes, I did it myself, from this phone. Deposited $1, got $750. Now I'll show you step by step, so you can have the money by tomorrow morning. In 2026, everything's expensive: rent, gas, groceries. But banks still pay us 0.01% interest. That means if you keep $10,000 in your account all year, you make $1. On top of that, monthly fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees. Banks are eating our money. But now the game has changed. New online banks are giving away free cash to beat the old banks. They need customers, and they're willing to pay up to $750 for it. The question is, are you going to take it or not? SoFi, $150 to $300 bonus. Step 1. Open an account. Step 2. Set up $50 or more in direct deposit, job salary, or just send $50 yourself from another bank. Step 3. Get $1,000 total in direct deposits within 25 days. Bonus, $300 hits instantly. I deposited $50, got $300, total $350.